Turn the heat on.
We're going to DC. Yeah, we woke.
Feeling the heat in a minute.
Okay. So we woke up at 6. It is 6:49.
Look at the license plate.
And we're going on a train to DC for 8 hours. So, yeah. We'll see you there.
Alright, it's going to be 6:12 at the second window.
Okay.
Update. We haven't got there yet. We need to feed this one.
I guess I can do that, can't they?
So we're at the train station. Is it getting it? Is it getting it? Okay. And yeah.
I hope it
It's 7:31.
50 pounds.
So
It doesn't matter.
yeah.
We gotta carry it on ourselves.
Yeah,
so.
boy.
I get mine.
Emmy. So we made it on the train. Barely, but we did it. Right, Emmy?
I have to get
So now, I think, how long is it? 8 hours?
Yeah.
It's an 8-hour ride. It's gonna be a long ride. Please focus. Thank you. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Hello. Right now we're stuck at a train station. We have 6 more hours left. And Megan, we are not having that much fun. And so we're gonna be there when it's about 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
We're gonna get there at 6 o'clock. Almost 6 o'clock. And
And then we have to take a taxi all the way to Washington. We get off right before Washington, and then we take a taxi to Washington.
there's 3 rules.
There's rules.
You don't have to ride in a car seat.
Yeah, we don't have to ride in a car seat. You're right.
If there's not enough seats, you get to sit in somebody's lap.
Yeah. We have 6 hours left. Oh, sorry. It's been a long ride, and we're only 4th of the way through.
There are more. I've got
So yeah.
That's
I'm bored. Are you comfortable?
Okay. I'm going to sleep. Goodbye.
Hey guys, I just took a nap. Emmy says it was 30 minutes. It felt like 2 hours. And I'm very happy. at commentary. But I'm so happy I took a nap because I needed it very badly. And so,
Oh yeah,
Abby's back.
hello.
I'm gonna see how long it is till we get there. Y'all, bless up. It is over. We are the next stop. Okay, focus, please. Okay. We are the next stop. It's gonna be lit. Here's my view. Right now, it's kind of dark. You can't see my bed. But yeah, we get off. And then we're taking a cab to our hotel. So I'll probably talk to you either when we get to the hotel or when we get in the cab. So yeah, bye. Alright, so we're in, okay, I would focus it, but you know, okay, come on, you're almost there, there we go. Okay, so we're in Union Station, as you are seeing right now, and we're gonna go find a taxi. So yeah, that's the 411, Emmy, say hey. Emmy said hey. Okay, so we made it to the hotel room. It's lit. Emmy spilled water all over my pants.
I didn't mean to.
She spilled on the cab. She spilled it all over my pants. You can't see it because it's dry now. Almost dry. It's a little damp. But like she spilled it all down my pants in the cab. So yeah. It's so hard to vlog with your family because then like they keep interrupting. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close the vlog off here. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and I'll see you guys later. Bye.